Good morning, children. Today I am going to start with history class. The first chapter focuses on what, where, how, and when. These four elements are those which we are trying to understand concept of history. Now, simple example: the past album in our family photos. Next, what is history? History is the study of the past. Our past consists of events that have happened as recently as the day before, a month, a year, or 10,000 years ago. Each of us has a past and each of us has a history. The study of the past is a fascinating journey. It gives us a chance to learn about how people lived, ate, and dressed many years ago. It also enables us to discover more about ourselves, where we came from, and why we are the way we. History is true story of human growth and civilization. It is a record of the people, places, and events of the past arranged in chronological order. It enables us to discover why, when, where, and how certain things happened. Let us locate the following rivers and the hills on the map: Narmada, Ganga, Indus, Karo Hills in the northeast, and Vindhyas in the central government. The Narmada Valley, that the earliest people have lived on the banks on the Narmada for several thousand years. The earliest people were skilled gatherers. They gather the food, they also collect roots, fruits, and other forest produce for the food. They also hunted animals. For this purpose, people hunted gatherers. Near Sulayman and Kittar Hills in the present day Pakistan, crops like wheat and barley were grown 8,000 years ago. The people also began rearing animals like sheep, goat, and cattle. They lived in village. Rice was first grown in the north of the Vindhyas. Agriculture development near the Karo Hills and near the Vindhyas. Where are the Sulayman and Kirtar Hills located? Sulayman and Kirtar Hills are located in the modern day Pakistan. Where are the Karo Hills located? Karo Hills are in the northeast of India. Name the tributaries of the river Ganga Son. Next, where was Magadha located? Magadha was located in the south of the Ganga. In ancient times, the area along these rivers to the south of the Ganga was known as Magadha, now lying in the state of Bihar. Its rulers were very powerful kingdom. Next, how do we study history? The scholars who study history and write about the past are known as historians. Historians have divided the past into two periods: prehistory and history. Prehistory divided three periods. One is ancient period, medieval period, modern period. Now see that ancient period. Ancient period is that period of history when human being did not know how to read or write. It was the period before writing was invented. We do not have any written records of this period. Next one, medieval period. The medieval period history is the period after writing was invented. It is the period for which written records are available. Next one, modern period. That modern period many records are available. Next are past, studied by historians and archaeologists with the help of manuscript, inscription, object with the help of tools, weapons, pots, pans, bones, etc. Next one, manuscript. Manuscript means old books called manuscript, were usually written on palm leaf or bark of the trees. They helpful our handwritten documents. They were usually written on Many of manuscripts got destroyed. Many have survived in temples and monasteries. These books with all kinds of objects such as religious belief and practice. The lives of kinds of medicines and science. These manuscripts also include epics, poems, plays also available to manuscript written document. Next, inscriptions. Inscriptions are writing on hard surface such as stones or metal. Sometimes kings their order inscribed in order to make common people of them. Next, archaeologist. Archaeologist means the who study objects made and used in the past are called archaeologists. They explore and excavate to find old objects. Next one, archaeological evidence. Archaeological means the study of the culture of the past. Archaeological studies the remains of the building and the object. They also explore and dig the earth in order to find out tools, weapons, pots, pans, ornament and coins. Next, what are the difference between manuscript and inscription? Manuscript are the old books that give handwritten document. For example, bark of trees. Next, inscription. Inscriptions are writing used for various purpose. For example, stone and metals. Sources of literary. The people who study past or the historians, they look for information found from manuscript and inscription, which they are called source. Sources are divided to one is archaeological, another one is literary sources. Next, religious literary. Books and manuscript that deal with religion or refers to the religions literary. The Vedas, the epics, the Ramayana and the Mahabharatam, these are the religion literary. Next, keeping track of dates. First, BC. BC means before Christ. AC means Anno Domini. C. BCE, before Common Era. CE, Common Era. Let us recall what we learned. So what is history? History is the study of the past event. Where are the Sulaiman and Krithar hills located? Sulaiman and Krithar hills are located in the modern day Pakistan. Where are the Karo hills located? Karo hills are in the northeast of India. Where was Magadha located? Magadha was located in the south of the Ganga. Next, types of prehistorical. The study of the history is generally classified into two categories. One is historical times, another one is prehistorical times. What is historical time? The period of the history for which we have a written record is called historical times. Next, what is prehistorical time? The period of time for which we do not have any written records is referred to as prehistorical times. Next, the historical time is also studied under the three following heads. First one is ancient period, medieval period, modern period. See, ancient period, no written records of this period. Next, medieval period. In this period, few written records are available. Last one, modern period. Many written records are available. Next, what is meant by manuscript? Manuscript is handwritten document. Next one, what are inscriptions? Inscriptions are writing on hard surface like stone or metal. Next, what are the differences between manuscripts and inscriptions? See, manuscripts are old books that gives handwritten document. For example, bark of trees. Next, inscription, engraved form of writing used for various purpose. For example, stone. Next, sources of history. See, the historical sources are of the two main types. One is archaeological, another one is literary. See, ancient books cover subject like religious beliefs and practice. Next one, lives of kings. Next, poetry, drama, medicines. See, it would be really interesting to read the epics of past. See, Ramayana, the Mahabharata, and Bible are some of the religious epics of the past. Next, we can see in this lesson synonyms. First one is archaeology. People who study objects made and used in the past. Next, excavation. The process of digging under the surface of the earth in order to find out old object is called excavation. Next, historians. Scholars who study the past are called historians. Next one, inscriptions. These are writings on hard surfaces like stone or metal. I hope you all understand this chapter. Thank you.